Have you ever wondered how close we are to curing cancer? In this video, we're going to cover what is cancer, why is it so hard to cure, multiple breakthroughs, and what is next. Cancer, it's a word that can change your life in a single moment, whether it's a family member, a friend, or a personal battle. It's something most of us have felt too close to. For over a century, scientists have searched for a cure, yet cancer remains one of humanity's toughest challenges. But in recent years, something remarkable has been happening. Revolutionary breakthroughs are changing how we understand, detect, and fight cancer. So how close are we, really, to curing it? The answer might surprise you. Why is cancer so hard to cure? To understand how close we are to curing cancer, we first have to understand why it's so difficult to cure in the first place. Unlike a virus or a bacterial infection, cancer isn't caused by something foreign. It starts from within, from our own cells, when normal processes go haywire. Each type of cancer is different. Some are aggressive and fast-moving, others stay hidden for years. They can mutate constantly, evolve to resist treatments, and even trick the immune system into ignoring them. It's like trying to stop a criminal that can change their disguise at will. That's why there's no single silver bullet. Curing cancer means outsmarting a moving target, and doing it in a way that's safe, precise, and personalized. Breakthrough number 1, immunotherapy. In the past, cancer treatments often meant using powerful tools, like chemotherapy and radiation, to kill off rapidly dividing cells. But these treatments can't always distinguish between cancer and healthy cells, leading to harsh side effects. But what if we could weaponize the body's own defenses? That's the idea behind immunotherapy. Treatments that boost or train your immune system to recognize and destroy cancer cells. One of the most promising forms is called CAR T therapy. Scientists extract a patient's T cells, specialized immune cells, and genetically reprogram them to find and attack cancer. The results, in some blood cancers, like certain leukemias and lymphomas, patients who had no other hope are now in complete remission. It's still expensive, and it doesn't work for everyone yet, but it's proof that our own biology might be the most powerful medicine of all. Breakthrough number 2, CRISPR and gene editing. Now let's look even deeper, down to the level of DNA. CRISPR is a revolutionary gene editing tool that lets scientists cut and modify genes with pinpoint precision. Imagine editing the instruction manual of life itself. When it comes to cancer, CRISPR is opening new doors. Researchers are using it to engineer immune cells that are more effective at killing tumors. They're even exploring ways to correct the mutations that cause certain cancers in the first place. In early clinical trials, CRISPR-edited cells have been safely used in humans with advanced cancers, and some patients are showing long-lasting benefits. It's still early days, and there's a long road to making gene editing a routine part of cancer treatment, but it's one of the most exciting frontiers in medicine today. Breakthrough number 3 is early detection and liquid biopsies. While treating cancer is critical, detecting it early can be the most powerful. The earlier cancer is found, the higher the chance of successful treatment. But traditional screenings only catch a few types, and often after symptoms appear. That's why scientists are developing liquid biopsies. Simple blood tests that search for DNA fragments shed by cancer cells. These tests could potentially detect dozens of cancer types at once, even before a tumor has formed. Imagine going in for a routine blood test and catching cancer in its very earliest stages, when it's most curable. That future is closer than you think. Early detection doesn't just save lives, it changes how we think about cancer, from something to fear to something we can manage, or even prevent. Combined approaches and AI-driven research. There's something exciting. The most powerful breakthroughs often come when we combine them. Doctors are now mixing immunotherapy with chemotherapy, or pairing targeted drugs with radiation for better outcomes. And behind the scenes, artificial intelligence is becoming a powerful ally. AI can analyze massive amount of medical data from genetic profiles to tumor scans to predict which treatments are most likely to work for each patient. This is the promise of precision medicine. Not one size fits all, but treatment tailored to exactly you, your genes, your cancer. Together, these tools are turning cancer treatment from a blunt force weapon into a laser-guided strike. So where do we stand today? So where does this leave us? Today, more people are surviving cancer than ever before. Survival rates have doubled in some cancers over the last 50 years. Some, like testicular cancer and early-stage melanoma, have cure rates above 55%. Even for advanced cancers, new therapies are turning what used to be terminal diagnosis into manageable chronic conditions. Clinical trials are more targeted and breakthroughs are moving from lab to bedside faster than ever. We are not talking about a universal cure yet, but for many cancers, we're already curing some patients. The goal now is to make those cures available, accessible, and effective for everyone. The fight against cancer is one of humanity's greatest challenges, but also one of its greatest stories of progress. We are not at the finish line yet, but the map is getting clearer, and the tools we are developing now could transfer the future for millions. A cure might not look like one single moment, it may come piece by piece, person by person, through persistence, collaboration, and innovation. So how close are we to curing cancer? Closer than we've ever been, and getting closer every